OpenAI ChatGPT released the advanced voice mode a few days ago, and it's so cool. This is my favorite one, recorded by my friend Jen.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT. So happy to meet you. If you have any questions or just want to chat, I'm here and ready to help. Kyun, let's have lots of fun together.
The voice sounds pretty anime. And this one, speaking like an Olympic athlete who just got a gold medal.
I can't believe it. His race, he pushed me to my limits. Every step was a battle. But crossing that finish line, it's pure euphoria. His gold medal.
We can hear the heavy breaths as if they were just trying really hard. I'd give it a 5-star. ChatGPT can express its excitement.
Hello, Hex AI community. It's fantastic to connect with such a dynamic and
ChatGPT also knows the narrative tone used to tell a story.
in a world torn asunder by nature's fury, a tornado descends.
Or roleplay.
Okay. Tell me if he looks this way, okay?
Okay, but hurry. I think
Too
it
loud.
heard
Too
us.
loud. He's gonna hear you.
Sorry. Okay, I'll whisper. I think it's looking the other way.
AI apologizing to human is just so cute. That lowered voice. And this is a funny one of AI counting numbers fast.
Hey, I want you to count from 1 to 10 really, really fast. As fast as you can.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now even faster.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now louder and faster and count up to 50.
I like how AI took a breath in the middle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Come on, it's just an AI and doesn't really have to breathe. See, this is how Google Translate speaks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
In contrast, ChatGPT is really, quote, imitating the human way of talking. Besides speaking, ChatGPT has some musical talent too. Listen to this.
Add more beatboxing.
Birthday rap, no time to nap, light the candles, yo scandal, clap snap, wrap it up.
Can you even tell if it's AI sound or a real human being's? I think I can't. Another musical example.
Sounds like you're thinking of Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley. It goes, never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you. Gotcha.
ChatGPT can even sing along with a human singer.
Where do they all come from?
All the lonely people, where do they all belong? You're nailing it.
I'm an amateur soprano singer, and I think some notes by the AI were slightly off pitch, but I really doubt it's a deliberate choice because most humans don't have a perfect pitch. I guess it's due to the training data. It looks that smart. Wait until the next example where AI helps humans to tune instruments.
Okay, what do you think about this one?
It sounds a bit low. Try tightening the tuning peg for the low E string a little bit, and then pluck the string again.
Some people might wonder how music experts think about this video. Is AI really that professional in figuring out the pitch? There were some discussions here, and it seems that AI's response can be random sometimes, or what we call the hallucination of AI. However, I think with more training data, like if we synthesize pairs of music pieces and whether it's on the pitch, it would be really easy to fix the problem. It's only a matter of whether the ChatGPT team wants to. And for all these examples, I think they showcase the power of foundation models in the voice modality. Besides ChatGPT, we also see more and more AI products tapping into the space. My musician friend and I tested out the music AI Suno a few months ago, and it's only getting even better since then. If you haven't watched the video, here it is. It's insane to think it's just the beginning, and my channel will continue to share what AI can do and how it would empower us humans. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.